Hey up, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this beauty. Yes, the Ryobi 18 volt caulk gun. Now, I've gone all out with this video. This is going to be my dearest one as yet, on materials and that. It's £1.17 this has cost me. You know, you want to be lucky. Spending money on this video now. So anyway, enough bullshit. Let's crack it open. We'll set it up and see how it works basically. Right, here we go. It's a nice looking contraption. Obviously there's not a lot to it. If you look here, you've got a lock for your switch so you can't accidentally use it. Then your speed control. Now it has got a little proddling utensil there. I should imagine that's for if you've got some that are like a foil cap rather than this plastic one that you have to cut off. I think that's what that is for. So other than that, basically I've not looked at the instructions, but it's part of fun figuring out how to work them. So just have to pull this back. Fairly stiff actually, that. I had to really pull on that. But yeah, let's whack a battery in. See if you can see this. So let me move the camera around a little bit so you can get a better see. So we'll just try it without a tubing. Oh, see, I've got it locked. So this is on fast speed. Try it on low. That is very slow moving. So enough of that. Let's get one of these opened up and put in there. I think, yeah, this, I know you can buy longer tubes. So when I actually bought these, there was some about this much longer, and I did nearly buy some, but I did think to myself, I wonder if they'll fit in, but looking at this now, no. So that is, how long we got here? It's like 8.5 inch tube. Oh, right. 21.5 centimeters. Right. So I've cut the thing off there. What I'll do is I'll not trim the end off. I'll just leave it as it comes and try it on a slow speed. Then I'll cut it off a bit bigger, and then we'll try it like that. So load it in. Make sure it's right in. Slide this in a little bit. So there we go. We're on low speed, thin nozzle. So let's right, I can just see it coming out now. There we go. Now, I've just noticed then, it does, if you look now, this is loose. It does actually back its sen off a little bit when you release trigger. So it, obviously, to stop it from dripping out. But if I bring it in on this was on the lowest speed, but that's not too bad, that. And to say I've not cut the tip down at all, I think what we'll do is I'll crank the speed up a little bit and see how this one goes. Lovely. Try and do it. Another one. Hey, could use this for icing a cake. A bit of PVC pipe. I'm sure you could make something work. Might just trim it off a little bit bigger now. I don't want it ending up having too much pressure and coming out at back. I don't know whether that would happen, but you never know. I'll try. Could do with a better knife, but well, that'll do for now. And just shove this back in. Oh yeah, let's go on full whack, see what this is like. That's definitely going to fill some gaps up this. Let's try it on slow now that I've cut the tip off a bit. Right, we'll just bring it in. Let you have a look at these. So, as you can see, that was on full speed, just having the tip not pressed down on it. Then that one was pressed down, kind of created a bit of a funky pattern. And then slow speed. But yeah, seems to be working pretty well. Now, the main reason I got this, or should I say wanted this, it was a Christmas present off my little sister. Wanting to get into doing some resin casting. So when you're making your moulds up, this will be getting a lot of use for doing stuff like that. Also, I fancy having a go at making a camper van as well, so it'd be useful sealing everything up when I finally get around to buying a van to do that. But yeah, let's have another quick play with this. We'll go on half speed. Wonder if we can change speed as we're going. Yeah. Definitely put some out on fast speed, that. and like I say, it does back off. What I'll do is I'll just put this on. That's going to end up being a permanent fixture to my desk if I'm not careful. Yeah. So, don't think there's much left in this. As you can see, we're nearly to end. So we'll see what happens when it gets to end, and then we'll wrap this video up. Yeah, that's it. Over. It's definitely goes through these tubes really quickly with that. I imagine using one of the hand pump ones, your hand would be aching after that, doing it as fast as what I've just done it anyway. But yeah, it's quite nice, to be honest with you. It's very controllable. Oops, I've zoomed in instead of zoomed out. But yeah, it's a very controllable, and you can change the speed as you're going. So if you want to start off on slow, just to get it going, and then slowly wind it on, it does speed up gradually till you get it to whatever speed you want. And well, like I say, you could do a full tube in one run with this, if that's what you wanted. You know, doing all the way around skirting board or something in one go. But yeah, that's I can see this getting quite a bit of use in future. Right, well, thanks for watching. Hope that cleared up any questions you might have on this cork gun. Like I say, you can use a tube really quickly, but the slow speed setting, I found it to be really controllable, and the fact that you can speed it up as you go in. So if you start off on slow and realise you need to go a bit quicker, you can just fine tune it as you're going along. But yeah, I mean, I have got quite a few plans of stuff that I want to start doing, which will utilise this tool quite a lot. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, watching me have a go at making like a river table or out like that, yeah, whack this subscribe button. Also, obviously, I'll be doing a lot more tool reviews as well. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.